In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to a OneDrive folder. As we traverse through the digital age, having a reliable cloud storage solution is no longer a luxury but a necessity. Microsoft OneDrive presents itself as a fantastic option, offering a secure and convenient way to store your files online. Not only does this help you preserve storage space on your devices, but it also makes your files easily accessible from virtually anywhere at any time. Whether you're backing up precious documents, sharing files with friends, or needing access across multiple devices, OneDrive can seamlessly cater to your needs. To begin, let's head over to the Microsoft homepage. You can easily get there by typing Microsoft.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the Sign In button, typically sitting at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to initiate the process. Signing in is essential as OneDrive access is tied to your Microsoft account. After clicking the Sign In button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Now, it's important to ensure that the email you input is associated with your Microsoft account, as this will facilitate a smooth and hassle-free login process. In case you don't yet have a Microsoft account, now would be an ideal time to create one directly on their website. After entering your email, click on the Next button to continue. You'll then need to input your password type in the correct one associated with your Microsoft account. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot My Password link right there to help you reset it. Once your credentials are accurately entered and you've clicked Next, you might be asked if you'd like to stay signed in. If you're on a personal device, selecting Yes could be convenient for future access. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it's safer to choose No and skip this option. Now, you're officially signed into your Microsoft account. The next step is navigating to OneDrive. Look for the All Microsoft drop-down menu, usually located at the top of the Microsoft homepage, and from the drop-down options, select OneDrive. This will take you to the gateway of Microsoft's cloud storage service. Depending on security settings, you might be asked to sign in again. Just use the same account details as before. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the OneDrive homepage. While it might initially seem overwhelming with numerous options and pre-uploaded files, don't worry, we're here to focus on uploading a new folder. Locate an option marked simply as OneDrive again within the page to ensure you're in the right section. Now, for the main event, uploading your folder, look for the Add New button. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Folder Upload. A File Explorer window will then pop up, allowing you to navigate through your files and select the folder you wish to upload. Keep in mind that depending on the folder's size and your internet speed, upload times can vary. With larger folders or slower connections, be prepared for a slight wait. Once uploaded, your folder will be securely stored and accessible whenever you need it. This process can be repeated for all your uploading needs, providing a straightforward method to ensure your files are safe. Not only does OneDrive act as a secure haven for your data, but it also supports easy sharing and collaboration, paving your way to mastering OneDrive's full capabilities.